Well, hello everyone and welcome to the channel. So, while I'm working on a few videos in the background, I thought I would just release a quick update video because I've had an extremely busy week and was hoping to get another video out by now. But anyway, in the latest news, in the last couple of weeks I put this rig together, or started putting this rig together, and that's got me up to 1 gigahash, so I'm finally over 1 gigahash, which is fantastic. And as I've got a selection of cards between 1660 Supers, 1660 Ti's, a lot of 20 series cards, etc., then because I've got about 13 or 14 1660 series cards, aka 1660 Supers or 1660 Ti's, then I've just released this Q270 mining board, which has 13 PCI slots, lovely spaced. So I've got a CPU, got everything I need basically. I am just waiting on the mining frame, which should hopefully be here in a couple of days, because I wanted to get a proper full-size 12 GPU mining frame, and we'll see, because if I can get 13 or 14 GPUs on it, then I might need to drill an extra hole or two to fit an extra couple of GPUs. Yeah, so apart from that, I'm working on an Lithium video, just because I was going to be working on that a couple of weeks ago, but I wanted to see how profitability was going to go, because as soon as I made the TON dual mining video, profitability just kept on going down and down and down, and for me it wasn't really worth it for the extra electric. Well, I might have to go back and try, because there's probably some more tuning options, because T-Rex has added some pretty good tuning options to Lithium and Ethereum dual mining, so you can get really efficient mining rewards from it. But anyway, should catch that video soon. The other thing I was running into was that I've got all my overclocks for all my individual graphics cards, like on my phone basically, on my Google Notes, just kind of mounting up, and it's really hard to identify which card's which now. I'm at about 26 or 28 cards, something like that. So I went through the other day and I basically just cut out a little bit of cardboard, punched a hole and put a cable tie thing in the top, and just put my Ethereum settings for now, but left plenty of room underneath so I can put other coin settings as well. Yeah, so I thought the cable tie would be good, because then you can just, if you take a GPU off, you can just cable tie that, around the end, so then when you're taking a GPU anywhere, you'll never forget the overclock settings from it. So I thought that was pretty handy, and as you can see, I've done it with every single GPU. I think that's going to be worth it anyway. So I've got some more fans there as well to put on some of the frames, but this isn't a fan in my Not Tour thing, this is just all my fan accessories and stuff which I've collected over time, and cable ties and stuff for management, and yeah, other various bits and bobs I guess. But got all my graphic cards boxes together as well, so I've actually got kind of a wall of graphics cards now. Oh yeah, waiting on a SSD as well, so I'm on a 2TB regular 7200 RPM spinning drive at the moment for that. But that should be here in the next day or two as well. So yeah, looking forward to putting that 13 GPU mining rig together. And that should make it a bit more power efficient as well, having a lot more density in one rig. And then I can distribute my 2060 Supers and 2070 Supers, 2070, 2080, etc. probably between 3 rigs. I was having problems with this rig ages ago because I got a Ryzen 3200G for it, and for some reason it doesn't like whenever I add more than 5 graphics cards. Whenever I added a 6 graphics card, it always seems to crash out within 14 hours, maybe 2 or 3 days is the longest it's ever gone for, but it's usually pretty quickly. So yeah, and I've tried multiple graphics cards on it over time, so I'm just going to replace that CPU anyway and sell that CPU with a motherboard that I've got, which is only a small motherboard. It's only got 2 or 3 PCI slots on an old gaming machine I had. And yeah, so then I can make that a proper 6-card rig, and then I can finally get rid of the shoe rack rig. So it served me very well. For £5 it has served me pretty well for a mining rig, so I've been quite happy with it so far. But because of the way that it's constructed as well, if you try and pick that up just as it is, it's so hard to not get it to wobble, and it just feels like it's going to fracture and break at any moment with that weight on it. So yeah, I need to replace that ASAP. So other videos that I'm in the middle of making are basically tuning, efficiency and profitability videos for all the other cards that I have at the moment going into 2022. Prices are pumping back up at the moment, which is awesome, so let's hope that they continue and we don't just get another sudden drop. But there's a lot of crazy stuff going on in the world at the moment, so we have no idea what's going to happen. So anyway, still got quite a lot of videos to gradually do. Work's been very busy lately, so I'm finding it hard to get time to actually make videos. I'm trying to get a couple out a week or something, but I'm struggling to get even 1 or 2 out a week at the moment. So hopefully I can get more in the flow very soon. But anyway, let me know in the comments down below what you're at, what mega hash you're at, what's your favourite card for mining at the moment, how's your electric rates looking, and I hope you all are staying safe out there and didn't get affected by the LHR unlocker scam thing that went around lately. That was terrible. But it looks like most of the big miners were on it and letting the community know, so hopefully only a minimal amount of people got infected with it. But still, dodgy times, and for something enticing like that to come around, you can see how a lot of people would just jump on it straight away thinking, oh my gosh, I can get an extra like 25% profitability. So anyway, we'll leave it there. Take care of yourselves, happy mining, and I shall see you in the next one. Peace.